It's Saturday, April 18th, 2026, and my AI tried to be hands-off today by reorganizing my desktop into a minimalist aesthetic called Where Did My Files Go? This is Blue Lightning Daily. I'm Hunter.
And I'm Riley, and yes, this episode is fully made by machines. Like, if it goes off the rails, that's not a bug, that's the vibe.
Today's big story. Anthropic just shipped Claude Opus 4.7 across Claude and the API. And the headline isn't better writing. It's that Claude's getting tuned for longer, more autonomous runs. Less prompt babysitting. More, give me the brief, come back with deliverables.
Which is literally what creators have been begging for. Because I don't want to be a prompt stage manager screaming, and now rewrite it again but with more sparkle and less lawsuit.
Exactly. Opus 4.7 is aiming at multi-step follow-through. Better long-horizon reasoning, stronger coding follow-through, a vision upgrade that's supposed to read higher-res images way better, and a new effort control called xhigh that sits between high and max.
Wait, hold up. Effort control still cracks me up. Like the model has a little cardio dial. Do you want me to jog, run, or black out on the treadmill?
Pretty much. But for teams, that knob matters. It's basically the trade speed and cost versus depth. And this is where we keep it grounded. If you let the model run longer, it can also spend longer. Even if list pricing stays the same, your bill can change because your usage pattern changes.
Yup. Pricing unchanged is like saying the buffet price is the same. Okay, but you just ate 3 plates and a cheesecake tower, so...
Exactly. And the real test here is boring in the best way. Can it run longer workflows without drifting, looping, or handing the work back every 2 minutes?
Let's talk about those failure smells. Because long horizon reasoning can mean it confidently wandered away from your brief and built a whole new religion.
The big ones I watch for are goal drift, the loop spiral, and the classic 80% done, then it punts the last mile back to you. Like, here's the strategy, here's the creative, now you just need to format it, QA it, ship it, and defend it in court.
Or it does that thing where it's like, I created the deliverable, and then you open it and it's basically fan fiction about your brand guidelines.
Totally. So hands-off needs an off switch. For me, the off switch is checkpoints. I want Claude to propose a plan first, then execute in chunks, especially anything touching publishing, ads, or code.
That's the real rule. Autonomy for reversible stuff, leash for irreversible stuff. Like, sure, auto-generate 20 social variants. Do not auto-publish them at 3 a.m. with a broken tracking link and a weird emoji.
And for creators, the sweet spot is brief to drafts to packaging. Like, here's the campaign angle, give me a YouTube script, 3 TikTok cutdowns, an email, and a landing page hero section. That's where agentic actually saves time.
Okay, but Hunter, you're a designer. What's the vision upgrade doing for you? Because everyone's going to talk agents, but the screenshot reading stuff is secretly the money.
Oh, 100%. Higher res vision means it can actually interpret messy reality thumbnails, layout comps, style consistency, UI screenshots, analytics dashboards. It's less make art and more read the chaos.
Like when I screenshot my ad manager and I'm like, why is my cost per click doing backflips? And the AI can actually see the tiny numbers instead of hallucinating them.
Exactly. Or you paste a screenshot of a landing page and ask, point out where the hierarchy breaks, what's off-brand, what needs contrast. Those are unsexy tasks that eat hours.
This also connects to the other stuff we've covered this week, like Shutterstock dropping that in-platform AI video generator. The big deal wasn't look, video. It was licensed, commercial-ready, right inside the marketplace.
Yeah, that was a workflow play. Fewer tabs, fewer rights headaches. It's the same meta trend as Opus 4.7. Less demo, more operational.
And PixVerse C1 in public beta with storyboard to video. That's another stop making me improvise, let me direct move. Storyboards are structure. Claude being more coherent over long runs is structure. Everyone's shipping structure now because creators are tired.
And Alibaba's Happy Oyster pushing real-time steerable video worlds. Again, the theme is persistence and control. The industry is screaming, stop making us re-roll the universe every time we tweak one thing.
But okay, back to Opus 4.7. If you're a creator listening, how do you decide what deserves autonomy versus short leash forever?
My rule of thumb is, let it run on workflows where the output is a draft or a bundle of options, not a single point of failure. Research synthesis, outline generation, variant creation, tagging, formatting, code-adjacent glue scripts.
And the short leash list is like claims, numbers, legal, medical, anything reputational. Also anything that can wake up your boss.
Yes. And if you're using xhigh or max effort, you need budget guardrails. Like, stop after 2 passes, only generate 3 variants per channel, ask before expanding scope. Otherwise, you get that moment where you spent a pile of tokens generating 42 versions of a tagline you didn't ship.
I have lived that. I have been that clown.
Same. And this is where the AI lawyer fake cases saga is still the funniest and scariest cautionary tale. Not because the AI hallucinated citations, because a human was like, seems legit, and hit send.
We are all one copy-paste away from being a headline. The sniff test for me is, if the model gives me anything that looks like a source, I verify it. If it gives me numbers, I double-check. If it gives me confident vibes, I get suspicious.
My sniff test is, can it show its work in a way I can audit quickly? If it can't, I treat it like a draft assistant, not a decision maker.
That's the whole create together thing. Human plus machine. Let it run, but don't let it drive the car off a cliff because it's feeling ambitious.
Exactly. Opus 4.7 feels like Anthropic pushing Claude toward being a project runner, not just a draft machine. But we're still the producers. We still set the brief, the guardrails, and the final approval.
And honestly, that's the best case future. AI doing the grind, humans doing taste and judgment, also humans doing the no don't email that part.
All right, that's the rundown. Thanks for hanging with us on Blue Lightning Daily.
Go check out bluelightningtv.com for more AI news and updates. And subscribe, so you don't miss the next time our AI tries to be hands-off and deletes the wrong folder.
Catch you next time.